Assalamualaikum and very welcome to our audience. First of all, I would like to say thank you to our lecturer, which is named Tuan Technologist Haji Amir Khan bin Swandi. And by this moment, our group would like to present our result and analysis about about the main topic, which is recycled construction material. And then we have been discussed about this topic, and we will go see the deeper. And if uh, we have picked sawdust as our topic for presenting, for presentation. And then in this slide we will see how is what is sawdust and how is worked in application in an industry. Well, before we start our presentation, I would like to introduce our group members. One of ours is Dafina Inshira binti Saha. Second is Muhammad Afi Aikal bin Rozi. Third is Khairul Adam bin Abdul Karim. And the last one is Muhammad and me, Muhammad Ishraf Naifuddin bin Muhammad Nawahiduddin. So we have worked together to make this research project in successfully. So our presentation will begin with introduction. As you watch in this slide, we have choose sawdust as our presentation topic, and we have make a lot of research in this topic. Well, we will expose what is definition of sawdust. Sawdust can be defined as a byproduct of wood which come through the activity of wood-based industry. So it is composed of small chippings of wood, and then this operation can be performed by woodworking machinery, portable power tools, or by use of hand tools. And then in this some manufacturing industry, it can be a significant fire hazard and sort of occupational dust expose.
Hi, my name is Hairil Adamin Abdul Karim. Today I'm gonna present about material properties. Material properties are physical, chemical or mechanical components of a specific product that would determine its functionality and manufacturability. This would mean that a product's material properties would specifically define the capabilities of the products in all aspects. The sawdust consists mostly of fine chippings from rubber trees. Next is physical and mechanical properties. Sawdust is a dry wood material consisting of cellulose, hemicellulose, lignin, and 5 to 10 other materials. Sawdust usually has low bulk density, high water porosity, low air porosity, and low cation exchange capacity. The sawdust consists mostly of fine chippings from rubber trees. Chemical products. The main chemical components of sawdust are carbon 60.8%, hydrogen 5.2%, oxygen 33.8%, and nitrogen 0.9%. Dry wood is primarily composed of cellulose, hemicellulose, and minor amounts, about 5 to 10% of extraneous material. It is non-degradable organic waste because of its low nitrogen content and high lignin and cellulose content.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Dafina Inshira binti Saha. I will explain to you the procedure of making sawdust. First, make sure the sawdust is in good condition before start the process. Second, mix sawdust with resin, a kind of glue. Third, the sawdust and resin mixture is put into a machine that squeezes it out in a flat sheet. Fourth, the sheets are dried. Last, the sheets of particle board are stacked flat until they are shaped into a lumber yard. Next, I will explain about the standard test procedure. In this standard test procedure, we will test the water absorption of the particle board. So first, 0.60 mm, 1.18 mm, 2.00 mm size of the particles were used in this experiment. The determination of 2 hours and 24 hours water absorption and thickness swelling tests were performed. Next, the specimen were taken out from water and the surface were dried using a clean dry cloth. The specimens were reweighed to the nearest 0.1 mg within 1 minute of removing them from the water and reweighed regularly at 2 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, and up to 72 hours exposure. Last, the water absorption of each specimen was calculated by the weight difference. In this standard test procedure, we will test if the particle board can be used in furniture and construction or not. Next, process of material application. The process material application from sawdust to particle board can be used in furniture construction. The weight of wood chips is evenly distributed to make sure the finished board is not top heavy. Compression is applied to the particle board sheets multiple times to create the tightest possible bond between the resin and wood bits. There are many advantages that can be found in making furniture using particle board, and among them are using low cost in manufacturing sector. Particle board also has a lightweight, so it facilitates the work of furniture assembly, and it's perfect made for ready-made furniture. That's all from me. I'll pass this slide to Afiq Aikal to explain his part.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Muhammad Afiq Aikal bin Rozi. Benefits of sustainable construction. Environment friendly. Particle board is made from the scrap of other lumber product. This means that there is no waste when a particle board is manufactured and no extra logging needs to be done to produce a particle board. Second, low carbon footprint. Particle board is inherently low waste because trees don't need to be cut down but just use the sawdust of lumber product. The particle board production process does not create waste and can even be recycled in some cases. Third, low cost. If we compare between particle board and plywood, particle board is cheaper than plywood. Plywood is use a lot of money to manufacture because it needs to do lot activities and can affect the environment. If it is about maintenance between particle board and plywood, plywood is water resistant and so you can be assured that your furniture will be safe, while the particle board will swell up once it come in contact with water and gets damaged soon. So next, future recommendation of sawdust or particle board. Using a material that can increase the strength of particle board and at the same time not be toxic. Normalize using the particle board than another board wood to save the environment. And last, companies that make products using wood need to recycle scrap of wood, and the contractor can give used wood to wood factory to keep the environment clean.
So we are at the hour of our presentation. So we have exposed what is the definition of sawdust, and then we also see what is materials properties, such as in physical properties and chemical properties instead. And then we also see we also expose what is standard test procedure that related to sawdust, and then we also see process in our process of material application in industry, and then we also expose what is recommendation for our future in industry, especially sawdust things. And then I would like to conclude of our presentation, which is we can see the use of recycled materials such as sawdust that we have present just now. It's very suitable to be used in certain manufacturing, such as we have seen like particles instead, and construction such as grids that I mentioned just now, particle spot, and anything else that related to sawdust uh, instead. And then the use of recyclable material has many benefits for the future, the environment, and also for develop in terms of construction and manufacturing. So very big thank you for our audition, especially to our lecturers. And hope this presentation will be useful to all, instead students, civilians, or anything else, or anyone else. And hope you enjoy it. Thank you.